Okay, so have you ever had a goal, right? A dream, something you can see so clearly in your mind, you really, really want it, and then somehow it just feels blocked, like uh, something inside you is hitting the brakes, even though you consciously want to floor it. I bet almost everyone listening has felt that frustration.
Oh, absolutely. It's that weird feeling of internal resistance,
What?
isn't it? Like part of you is actively working against what you say you want. You feel
Heck
stuck,
yeah.
even when you think you know what to do next.
Exactly. And it's that specific internal, let's call it friction, that we're digging into today. We're looking at sources like mind manifestation, the amygdala reset sequence, and it makes a pretty bold claim, actually, about why our goals might just fizzle out.
It really does. The core idea they put forward is, well, fascinating. They suggest that our amygdala, that small part of the brain actually, and this is their term, hijacks our vision. It basically stops us from getting what we want. Now, that's quite an interpretation.
Ooh, hijacks. So it's not just like external stuff getting in the way, but our own brain sabotaging us.
That's the central argument from this source, yeah.
It's a strong way to put it. Usually we talk about the amygdala in terms of fear, survival.
Right, fight or flight.
Exactly. Not typically as, consciously sabotaging something positive you're trying to create. So that's a key premise we need to unpack.
Okay, brain sabotage. Got it. And the source hints at a fix, right? Like a 5-second fix.
Well, they mention that, but it's actually more like a 42-second sequence when you look closely. It's designed specifically to stop this internal blocking they describe.
Okay, 42 seconds. So our mission today for this deep dive is really to dissect let's say, the science they present. We'll look at this reset sequence itself, and importantly, check out the proof they offer. And for you listening, since you're already familiar with a lot of these concepts in neuroscience and personal growth, we want to add that expert layer. Help you understand this specific take on getting past internal resistance. Makes sense. So yeah, that internal conflict, the prefrontal cortex wanting one thing,
Hmm.
the amygdala, according to this, wanting safety, which means no change.
Yeah.
That seems to be the core of it.
Right. So how does the source actually explain the science behind why things might not work out the way we visualize them?
Okay, so the framework they lay out suggests this kind of push and pull between two main brain areas when you visualize something new. It says, when you picture your desire, your prefrontal cortex, that's the planning, decision-making part, right?
Mm-hmm.
It gets active. It signals, and they put it quite dramatically, yes, new reality. It's the engine driving you forward.
Okay, the conscious mind is on board.
But then,
Then,
but then, almost at the same time, they claim your amygdala kicks in, and it reads any change, even change you want, as danger. Change equals threat. That's
yeah.
how the source personifies it, the amygdala, as this sort of guard against anything new.
Okay, but why would it see something we want as dangerous? That seems counterintuitive.